Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can save your CapCut projects. So basically, CapCut projects saves automatically whenever you close it anyways, so you don't have to worry about that. But to export your video, you're going to have to press the export button here. Then you are going to rename the file. You're going to select the folder where you want the exported video to be. You're going to adjust resolution, bitrate, etc., etc. And once you're done with that, you're going to select the export button like so. And that is pretty much it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!